Now we'll teach you a new chapter, application of derivative. Application of derivative. In previous chapter, discuss the differentiation of functions. Now we'll teach you application of derivative. First we mean the study of application of derivative. If any problem is solved with the help of differentiation, is called application of derivative. किसी भी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व किया जाए वही डिफरेंशिएशन के द्वारा, दैट प्रॉब्लम इज नोन एज application of differentiation or application of derivative. Some topics of application of derivative in your syllabus. First, the rate of quantities, maxima and minima, normal and tangent, increasing or decreasing functions, most Lagrange mean value theorem. Same topics are in your syllabus. The application of derivative. First we discuss the rate of change of quantities. First topic. Now first we study the application of derivative in the rate of quantities, the rate of change of quantities. Now we'll start first topic of application of derivative, the rate of change of quantities. The rate of change of quantities. Rate of change of quantity is the rate of change of quantities. First, if any function y is equal to fx, if y is equal to fx be a given functions, then ddx of y is known as ddx of y or dy by dx is known as rate of change of function y with respect to x. Rate of change of y with respect to x. That thing is known as rate of change of y in quantity rate y change with respect to x. यदि कोई फंक्शंस y इक्वल टू fx गिवन हो आपको, उसको विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x डिफरेंशिएट किया जाए, जो क्वांटिटी वैल्यू प्राप्त होती है dy अपॉन dx इज नोन एज रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ गिवन फंक्शन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. दैट इज इफ area A denote the area of circle, then dA upon dr is known as the rate of change of area with respect to radius of circle. If P is known as perimeter of square, P is known as perimeter of square, and small a within side of square, then dP upon dA is known as the rate of change of perimeter with respect to side of square A. Means कोई भी सिस्टम गिवन है आपको और उस क्वांटिटी का, उस फंक्शन का जो रेट होता है उसको फाइंड करने के लिए जिसके रिस्पेक्ट में आपको फाइंड करना है उसी के रिस्पेक्ट में उसको डिफ्रेंशिएट कर दीजिएगा। दैट पॉइंट इज नोन एज रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ दैट पॉइंट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे हमने आपको बताया कि एरिया इज नोन एज एरिया ऑफ सर्किल एंड आर विद द रेडियस ऑफ सर्किल, देन dA upon dr is known as rate of change of area with respect to radius. Here we noted area problem already. Some in this topic solution of this rate of quantities we also remembered in 10th class mensuration formula. For example, area of circle is known as pi r square. Perimeter of circle 2 pi r या circumference of circle 2 pi r. Some problems, volume of sphere, volume of cone, circumference of square, cuboid. Some formulae are remembered from the chapter of mensurations in 10th class. Now we'll discuss the rate of change of derivative या rate of change of quantity if y is equal to, note it, if y is equal to fx be a function, then dy upon dx is known as rate of change of y, rate of change of in y, rate of change of in y with respect to x, and it is also denoted by if dy upon dx at point x is equal to a be any arbitrary point, which is known as the rate of change of quantity y with respect to x at the given point a. इस a की वैल्यू आर्बिट्रेरी पॉइंट है, किसी भी पॉइंट पे आपसे रेट ऑफ डिस्क्रिप्शन, रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ क्वांटिटी फाइंड करने के लिए पूछा जा सकता है. नाउ विल डिस्कस द टॉपिक ऑफ दीज आर नोन आल्सो रिमेंबर एंड नाउ सॉल्विंग सम प्रॉब्लम्स इट इज क्लियर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 गिवन है आपके पास क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द चेंज ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ सर्किल. फाइंड द rate of change of the area. Find the rate of change of area of circle. Find the rate of change of area of circle with respect to radius r. With respect to radius r. Find the rate of change of area of circle with respect to radius r, where r is equal to 6 centimeter. Given problem, find the rate of change of area of circle with respect to radius r, where r is equal to 6 centimeter. Given आपको एरिया फाइंड करना है. रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ एरिया. सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट, if let A be the area and R radius of circle. Let area. We know that A is equal to pi r square, area of circle, all remember. Then dA upon dr and r is equal to 6 r prime. Then dA upon dr is equal to dr upon the value of pi r square. Sorry, r is measured dA upon dr is equal to difference in pi will be constant outside and difference of r square with respect to r is known as 2r. We get dA upon dr is equal to 2 pi r. Find the value of d, the rate of change of area of circle with respect to radius r. dA upon dr, r is equal to 6 is equal to 2 pi into 6. We get the answer dA upon dr, r is equal to 6 is equal to 12 pi सेंटीमीटर पर यूनिट कर दिया। यूनिट जो समथिंग यूनिट्स आएगा प्राप्त हो जाएगा आपके पास गिवन एरिया। Also next problem, some problem are solving these problems step सेम टाइप्स जिसका एक रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ डिस्क्रिप्शन आपको प्राप्त करना है, रेट ऑफ चेंज प्राप्त करना है, उसके फॉर्मूले को राइट डाउन करिए और जिसके रिस्पेक्ट में आपसे पूछा जा रहा है उसी के रिस्पेक्ट में उसको डिफरेंशिएट करिए एंड वैल्यू पुट कर दीजिए, द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ दैट वैल्यू फाइंड हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, a stone dropped into a pit lake. A stone, question number second, a stone dropped into a pit, dropped into a pit lake and the wave moved in a circle and the wave moved in a circle। प्रॉब्लम राइट डाउन कर दिया जाए, इसके बाद बताया जाता है। सर्किल, if the radius of circular wave increases, if the radius of circular wave are increases, at the rate of 4 centimeter per second, find the rate of increases, increases, rate of increases in its area at the instant area at the instant when the radius is when the radius is 10 centimeter 10 centimeter. A problem are given: a stone drop into a caved lake and the wave move in a circle if the radius of circular wave r increases at the rate of 4 centimeter per second. Find the rate of increases in its area at the instant when the radius is 10 centimeter. Now given that solution, let प्रॉब्लम को क्लियर कर जाइए। किसी स्टोन को लेक में ड्रॉप किया जा रहा है, तो उसके स्टोन के ड्रॉप के कारण, ड्यू टू ड्रॉप ऑफ स्टोन इन लेक, तो जो वेव का फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है, जो वेव का इंक्रीजिंग हो रही है, वेव बन रही है, वो सर्कुलर मीन सर्किल के रूप में चले। देन द एरिया ऑफ सर्किल, और उसका जो इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर है सर्किल का, वो 4 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड टाइम लिया गया है। तो इसको फाइंड करना, लेट एरिया ऑफ सर्कुलर सर्किल, लेट द एरिया ऑफ circular wave E radius R and T be instant means time, that then find hence 4 centimeter given or dr upon dt equal to 4 centimeter per second and r equal to 10 centimeter are given. Find the rate of increase in its area means उसकी एरिया में कितनी चेंजिंग होती है, उसी को फाइंड करना, दैट इज डी आर अपॉन डी ए अपॉन डी टी विल बी फाइंड. We know that by definition of differentiation, dA upon dt equal to dA upon dr into dr upon dt. By definition of substitutions, dr will be cancelled out, dA upon dt, dA upon dt is equal to d upon dt, dr into area of circle known as pi r square into the value of dr upon dt 4 centimeter. We get dA upon dt is equal to differential 2 pi r into 4 centimeter. Next, dA upon dt is equal to 8 pi r r plus dA upon dt 8 point r equal to 10 centimeter, 8 pi into 10 imply that dA upon dt r equal to 10 equal to 80 pi unit. That's